Hello everyone, it's me JP from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find and install different software packages in Windows 10 or 11 computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search just search for one application name as Winget UI, and on the first list you will see the developer website. Just click on it, and on the right side you will see releases. Just click on it. Just scroll down below. Now you can see here assets. Just click on it. Now you will see one file with the extension .exe. Just click on it to download this application. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run this software installer. Click on OK. Click on next, click on next. Now here you can select this option in order to create a shortcut on the desktop. I'll highly recommend to enable this, and below you will get one more options. You can either install a third-party package manager. Scoop Package Manager is also being supported, so if you want to install it you can just select this enable, but right now I'll just keep it as it is. But if you wish to use Scoop Package Manager along with this application, you can use it just by selecting this enable and install Scoop. Now click on next, click on install, wait for a few more seconds until the complete installation is done. So finally the installation has been completed successfully. Now click on finish and wait for a few more seconds. So now it's loading. So finally you can see the user interface of this application, right? So it will show you tons of available packages right now, but if you don't find your respective software packages here, then what you can do, you can use this search box. Say I want to search for Firefox web browser, so you can see a tons of Mozilla Firefox web browser packages like Mozilla Firefox. This is a stable version. You can get a beta version also. There is some nightly version or the developer version also, you can get it. So say I want to download and install this, just click on it, and once it turns into blue from the black, now you can see here download option. Just double left click on this download button. Now you can select here a different version. If you wish to install the latest, then click on latest, or you can select your respective version also by selecting from here. And now just click on install. Now below it's starting to install. Wait for a few seconds until the complete installation is done. So finally you can see the installation has been completed, and even you can see a pop-up message below, and as well as you can get a software shortcut icons. Right now you can see I have installed a Firefox web browser, so let us open it if it can run or not. So you can see it successfully gets open. So you can do the same thing. You can either use this search box in order to search different software packages from here, and below you can see some options like the install package, so package information. You can see the package information also from here. You can see the different versions or from which companies and this and that, and next to it is a run the installer with the administrative privileges, and next to it is skip the hash check, or you can interactive installation, or you can import this respective package as a JSON file. So these are the options you are gonna get, and if there is any software updates you can just click on it and it will show you if some updates are available for your respective installed softwares or not. And you can check on the installed packages also. It will auto detect all the softwares or applications that are being installed on your Windows computer. You can use it as uninstaller software also. Say if you want to uninstall the software which you have recently installed using this software, then say let me uninstall it. So here is the software. Just select this software, and on the above you can see uninstall package. Just click on it. Now it's asking, are you sure you want to uninstall Mozilla Firefox? Click on yes. So now proceed with uninstallation process. Click on next, click on uninstall, wait for a few more seconds. So finally we have uninstalled it. So using this simple software named as Winget UI, you can easily find and install different software packages in Windows 10 or 11 computers. So if you never known about this very useful software, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.